Oh, yun nga guys. Check outfit. Ah, check outfit. Okay. So, welcome back ulit sa pag-create natin ng reels. So, bago ang lahat, or before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much for all of my followers and everyone's na nag-support sa reels ko at nanood sa reels ko. I got 1.5 million of views dito sa video na to. So thank you so much. Thank you dahil pinanood nyo kahit ilang minutes lang. So itong video na gagawin natin is related to doon sa mga road accidents, dahil hindi lang this year kundi mga nakaraang taon pa, kung halos araw-araw nagkakaroon ng road accidents, lalong-lalo na yung mga riders, 'di ba? Kasi aminin man natin guys, aminin man natin or hindi, karamihan sa mga nagmomotor ngayon hindi alam kung ano ang rules pagdating sa kalsada. Ang alam lang nila, kapag marunong ka magmotor, you know how to drive motorcycle, yun lang yung alam nila. Pero ang rules pagdating sa kalsada, hindi nila alam. Kulang sila sa kaalaman. So, may napanood ako na video na tsak makakatulong at malaking tulong doon sa mga riders na hindi pa nakapag-seminar sa LTO or kulang ang kaalaman pagdating sa kalsada. Kahit ako, hindi ko pa naman siya totally, wala pa naman akong totally knowledge pagdating sa kalsada. So, napanood ko tong, how many times itong pinanood na video na to, and then malaking tulong to sa akin. Na-apply ko to sa sarili ko na kapag nagdadrive ako ng motor. Hindi porket may lisensya ka, you know how to drive motorcycle, marunong ka mag-drive ng 4 wheels, 16 wheels, at marunong ka mag-drive ng kahit anong sasakyan, hindi yun sapat para masabi mo na alam mo na ang rules ng kalsada. So, kailangan mo pa rin pag-aralan kung paano mag-overtake, kung paano mag-left turn, right turn, mag-U-turn, ganon. So, yung video na to, I hope makatulong to sa inyo. And then, I hope may apply nyo to sa sarili nyo. So, let's go.
Do you know these road markings? Broken yellow. Passing is allowed when safe. Double solid yellow. No passing. It means it is unsafe to overtake at any time. Single solid yellow. You should not overtake unless it's totally clear. So you have to be extra cautious. Broken white. A reminder to stay in your lane, but it's okay to cross it when you're overtaking or changing lanes. Double solid white. You are forbidden from overtaking over this line, but you are allowed to make left turns when safe. Remember, however, that oncoming traffic still automatically has right of way. Solid white. Do not change lanes. No overtaking unless it's absolutely clear. Mixed double. Solid yellow with broken yellow or broken white. This indicates that traffic on the solid yellow side cannot cross lanes, while traffic on the other side may do so if the way is clear.